Nitrogen and oxygen are both non-metal elements. Non-metal is a chemical element that generally lacks a predominance of metallic properties. It also have 4, 5, 6, and 7 electrons in their outermost shell. Did you know that covalent bonds usually occur between non-metals? Non-metals will readily form covalent bonds with other non-metals in order to obtain stability. But how do we name covalent bonds? In naming covalent bonds, the less electronegative nonmetals comes first, followed by the more electronegative nonmetal. There are only 4 rules. First, name the nonmetal farthest to the left on the periodic table or the less electronegative nonmetal by its elemental name, like nitrogen and carbon. Second, put the suffix IDE to the last element or the more electronegative nonmetal, like chlorine to chloride and oxygen to oxide. Third, get the subscripts of the 2 nonmetals, then put them as prefixes before the name of the elements. Here are the prefixes we'll be using. Mono is 1, di is 2, tri is 3, tetra is 4, penta is 5, hexa is 6, hepta is 7, octa is 8, nona is 9, and deca is 10. The fourth rule is, if mono is the first prefix, it is understood and not written. Let's have CO as an example. We don't see any subscripts, so it is considered that it only has 1 atom, so we put carbon as it is, and the prefix mono for the oxygen with the suffix IDE to become carbon monoxide. Another example is N2O3. Nitrogen has 2, so it becomes dinitrogen, and oxygen has 3, so it becomes trioxygen, but we add the suffix IDE, so the whole compound is dinitrogen trioxide. Extra rice, please! You also want an extra? Here! So in formula writing, we will just reverse what we did in naming covalent bonds. Example is triphosphorus hexachloride. Phosphorus has a prefix tri, so it is 3, and chlorine has a prefix hexa, so it is 6. So the final formula should be this: P3Cl6. Hope you learned something.